Hey everybody, welcome here one more time in our agribusiness news today, March 21. My name is Rodrigo Ferreira, international trader, and here's we connect the business globally. See which factors are like to affect the soybean price next week. The advance of a harvest in Brazil is one point of attention, in addition to the condition the crops in Argentina. For the next week, the soybean market turned its attention to the harvest in South America. The advance of harvest in Brazil is one point of attention, in addition to the condition of the crops in Argentina. In external scenario, the absence of a purchase by China is also on the radar. Follow below the factors that should deserve the attention of the soybean market this week. The tips are from the Safras and Mercado analyst Luis Fernando Roque. Soy in Piauí producer has already sold almost half of the 21-22 harvest. Soy market players remain with their attention divided between the climate from the harvest in Brazil and the final development of the harvest in Argentina, moments in the Chinese demand in the international market and the North America stock market. The climate in the South America remains the main factor of a short-term volatility from Chicago, despite the problems of the harvest delay and the crop runoff in Brazil. Forecasts point to a climate improvement in the Middle West and the Southeast in the coming days. A factor that should allow work to the progress at the better pace and runoff to the progress. In Argentina, the recent improvement in the humid over demand producing provinces in the country has given some scope from some negative corrections in Chicago. Even if in the timeline manner, the tendency is that the main intense of the rains in the neighboring country brings relief from the water stress that affects some provinces, reducing potential losses in the crop. The absence of the Chinese purchases of the American soybean is another factor that weighs in a way on Chicago, although the market understands that the Chinese demand has already migrated to the South America. Delays in shipment in Brazil have brought hope that North America sales could be announced, a fact that not occurred. Despite this, U.S. inventories remain very tight, and this situation is not expected to change until the next U.S. crops arrive in September. This fact is an important short and medium-term support from Chicago. On the financial side, the sharp of the drop in the oil this week made room in the technical corrections in agriculture commodities, including soybean. Speculating funds took advantage in the negative movement of the main global commodity to make profits, although the fundamental side of soybean continued to the points on firm price. This is our news from AgroNews today, Sunday. I hope you had enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. And here's in the Emacs Trade, we connect the business globally. See you soon. Share with your friends, YouTube, okay, Instagram. Make a call with us by email and check information out with us by WhatsApp. See you next.